Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you this morning? Hey, I'm going to show you again. I didn't think I did a very good job on my little fire starting operation last time I showed you, so I'm going to explain this a little bit better. What I've got the wife doing, anytime she does laundry, she takes the lint from the clothes dryer, stuffs it in these toilet paper rolls I've given her. So what you can do here, and we're going to try it again, I'm going to see how long it takes. I'm going to go ahead and cut a little small piece of toilet paper roll. You don't need the whole spool. And I'm going to stuff just a little bit of it down in here. Also, you want to have it where you can pull it out, where you can get a hold of the spark. So just kind of pull it out, stuff it in there. All we want it to do is catch fire. Once I get a spark, this thing is going to take off. I have leaves, dry leaves in here, and some kindling, and some larger pieces of wood. And I cheated. I put a little fire starter fluid in there, so this thing will ignite when it takes off. So what I'm going to do, I've got a lot of wind today, so I don't know how this is going to work. So here we go. I'm going to open this up a little bit. I'm going to stick it down in here where the fire will be. And temporarily, I'm going to pour me a cup of coffee. It's weekend. About 50 degrees out here right now. It was colder, about 37 this morning. It's about 50 now. It's about 9:44. Okay. Let me see how this coffee is right quick. Oh yeah. I don't know if you guys have ever messed with a rat trap lately. I bought a couple this morning because I've got some rats in my shed. And so I was trying to bait that trap, and man, I tell you, I got my finger in the way, and that thing clamped down and knocked the crap out of my finger. So it's that kind of thing works. I hope I don't lose a nail behind it, but anyway. Okay, here we go. We're going to try this again with some magnesium and steel. Standard little fire starter kit you can get anywhere. Walmart's where I got this one. Okay, there is a little wind here, so I'm going to see if I can make this happen without doing it 50 times like I did last time. Okay, it started 3 or 4 times. Okay, here comes the fire. Now that's better. That was a better demonstration. Okay, now then, I can sit back maybe and enjoy this a little bit. Oh yeah, very nice. So, if you want to try that, I don't know, it's just kind of fun. You don't have matches, you know, you can kind of play around with this little bushcraft trick. Wow, I'm going to have to back up a minute. It's a little bit tight. Coming my way, man. Happy Sunday morning to you. I hope you all are doing well. I'm kind of, as of late, getting into trying to go back and do things the old way. Learn some of the things our ancestors had to do. Canning, for one thing. I know my grandparents on the nation's side, back in Mount Vernon, Texas, man, they canned everything. Worked all summer canning, especially when they were on the farm. I remember as a kid going into one of their back bedrooms, and they had a whole wall full of shelves, and it was full of canned goods, stuff, produce, meats, things they had put up over the summer, so they'd have something to eat in the winter. They were poor people, so they had to really fend for themselves. Anyway, good coffee. Wished you were here with me to enjoy it. I'm going to have some friends over one day. We're going to cook a pot of chili on this open fire here. Well, God's blessings to you. I hope you have a good day, a good rest of your week. Take care now.